third chapter, multiple and submultiple angles nana. Important part. First one is trigonometrical ratios, introduction of trigonometry. Second one is compound angles, how to find trigonometric ratios for a plus b angle, a plus b plus a angle, a plus b minus a angle, like that. Now this is also another important part of trigonometry, multiple and submultiple angles. First of all, I want to explain what is the meaning of multiple and submultiple angles. For example, a angle is given. What are the multiples of a? Means 2a, 3a, 4a, etc. Nana. Similarly, what are the multiples of a? Means I can say a by 2, a by 3, a by 4, and so on. So what is the title nana? Title of the chapter, multiple and submultiple angles of trigonometrical ratios. Here I wrote only multiple and submultiple angles. Multiple and submultiple angles of trigonometrical ratios means how to find trigonometrical ratios for these type of angles. Means what is sin 2a, what is sin 3a, what is sin 4a, what is cos 2a, what is cos 3a, what is cos 4a, like that. Okay, no, what is tan 2a, what is tan 3a, so on. Similarly, these are called submultiples. Means what is sin a by 2, what is cos a by 2, what is tan a by 2, what is sin a by 3, what is cos a by 3, so on. So today's topic is multiple and submultiple angles, finding trigonometrical ratios for the angles of the type sin 2a, sin 3a, sin 4a, etc. and sin a by 2, cos a by 2, tan a by 2, and etc. Okay, Nana. So one by one I will start. This is a new topic. Okay, Nana. Now I will write. For the angle, see here, for the angle A, the angles two a comma 3a comma 4a comma are called multiple angles. Okay, one thing. Next thing, for the angle A, the angles a by 2 comma a by 3 comma a by 4, so on, are called submultiple angles. So our topic is how to find trigonometrical ratios for multiple and submultiple angles. First one, and that first one is sin 2a formula. Sin 2a equal to actually 2 sin a into cos a. Second one, in the second one, cos 2a formula. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So important thing, Nana, sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. I will prove it. No, that is not a big problem. Second one is cos 2a. Cos 2a means cos square a minus sin square a, or another words. So cos 2a formula in terms of both cos and sin. Sometimes you want to convert only in terms of cos. You can say that is nothing but, yes, observe here, that is nothing but 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is also same as 1 minus 2 sin square a. So these are the three formulae for cos 2a. Sin 2a also several, but first initially we want to say that sin 2a means 2 sin a into cos a. Nana. Cos 2a means initially you want to say that cos square a minus sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square a. Important thing is for every a belongs to capital R. Means these results, 1, 2 results are applicable for all real numbers. Instead of a, anything you can write. 2 degree you can write, 2 radians you can write, 3 radians you can write, anything you can take as a. That's why a is any real number. For any real number a, these two results are true. One by one I will prove. Okay, observe here. Yeah, proof for those two results. First one, sin 2a I want proof. For that I want use sin 2a formula. Sin of a plus b formula already derived in previous chapter. Sin of a plus b. What is that, Nana? Sin a cos b. Sorry, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So, two different angles are there, A and B. If A equal to B, what happened? Instead of A, write B, or instead of B, you write A. I want write instead of B, A, Nana. Sin of A plus A, I can say. A plus A, I can say. Is equal to sin A into cos A, Nana. Plus, instead of B, I am writing A. That is important thing. So, here, what I took, Nana? A equal to B. If A equal to B, you can write like that. If A equal to B. So, what happened here? Cos A into sin A. Observe here, A plus A, 2A only. 2A only, no? Sin 2A equal to, see, sin A cos A, sin A cos, just like x plus x, 2x. 2x means 2 sin A into cos A. This is the formula of sin of A plus B. Everyone should remember. Yeah, result 1 completed now. So, now I want prove result number 2, Nana. Result number 2, that is cos 2A. For cos 2A, I want to use cos of A plus B formula. Cos of A plus B formula, cos A, cos B minus sin A into sin B. Here also, A and B are actually, you can take at different angles, but I want to take both the equal angles if A equal to B. So, instead of B, write A, Nana. So, what happened here? Cos A plus A is equal to cos A into cos A minus sin A into sin A. Understood? Which is same as x into x, Nana. X into x, x square only. Cos square A. Minus just like y into y square, no? Sin square A. So, finally, we got cos 2A as, A plus A means, no, cos 2A as cos square A minus sin square A. This should remember. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, Nana. Yeah, but sometimes you want formula in terms of cos alone. You don't want a sin here. Cos alone. So, you need to convert cos in terms of sin in terms of cos. I will write then. Observe here. Cos square A as it is minus of sin square A means you know that, no, 1 minus cos square A. Simple square relation. So, expand this, open this, minus 1 plus cos square A, 2 cos square A, minus 1. So, this is another formula of cos 2A, Nana. This is another formula of cos 2A. This also should remember. So, here I will write next result. Yeah, observe. Here I will write next result. Sometimes you want this formula, cos 2A formula, in terms of only sin. In terms of sin you want. You don't want cos. That's why instead of that cos, you can write, instead of this cos, you can write 1 minus sin square A. Minus sin square A. Okay, Nana? So, that is 1 minus 2 sin square A, which is same as cos 2A only, no? So, we have 3 formulae for cos 2A. Okay. So, one is cos square A minus sin square A, another one is 2 cos square A minus 1, another one is 1 minus 2 sin square A. Should remember, because total trigonometry is depend upon several formulae. Without those formulae, you can't solve the problems, Nana. Okay, write down. Second important result. First part complete. Second part is tan 2A formula. Tan 2A, I can say. Tan 2A. Tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So, why I separated means sin and cos defined for all real numbers, Nana. Sin A, cos A trigonometry ratios are defined for all real numbers. Whatever may be A, sin A defined, whatever may be A, cos A defined. But tan A, cot A, remaining trigonometrical ratios are conditional. So, they want to define, we need to take care about the angle A. Actually, tan A is not defined if your angle is odd multiple of 90 degree. Means tan 90 not defined, tan 3 into 90 not defined. Why not defined means already explained in first chapter. By using coordinates plane, no? So from there you can say that if angle is taken as 90 degree or 3 into 90 or 5 into 90 or minus 90 degree or minus 3 into 90 degree, for these angles trigonometric tan is not defined. That's why I took separate case this one. Tan 2a should define means 2a should not in the form of 3 into 90, 5 into 90. Similarly, here RHS part is depend upon a no, tan a no. So a should not in the form of 90, 3 into 90. That's why you need to take care while defining other trigonometric ratios other than sin and cos. Okay. I think understood. Tan is not defined for all multiples of 90. Should remember that. For this result is for a comma 2a or does not belongs to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 odd number, no, 2n plus 1 odd number, take any when n is a integer nana here, take any integer. For example, n is taken as 1, this becomes 3 into pi by 2, pi by 90 degree, 3 into 90 not defined. That means your a and 2a should not in the form of this 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. For those angles the formula is not valid. Okay. So tan 2a means 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. You can remember, that is not big problem, but conditions important in trigonometry or especially in mathematics. Conditions are important. So what is the condition? A and 2a should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Proof is not big problem for us. Okay. Proof. Again we need to use tan of a plus b formula. What is that? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, Nana. Here also take a equal to b angle. Yeah. If a equal to b, what happened? Tan a plus a. Instead of b, I am writing a, Nana. A plus a equal to tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. Okay. So which is same as tan, I will write in next line. A plus a means tan 2a, nana. Tan 2a is equal to tan a plus tan a, means just like x plus x, 2x, 2 into tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a, just like x into x, x square means tan square x, tan square x means tan square a. So this is the formula for tan 2a. Okay, but important thing is this conditional result. So your angle a and 2a should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Yeah, third result, that is about cot 2a, nana, cot 2a. Cot 2a equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Actually, by using sine, cos, tan, you can solve all problems. No need cot, sec and cosec, but sometimes you need to use cot. That's why. This is also conditional, nana. So a comma 2a does not belongs to pi, n pi form, n pi. I can write n pi. So that writing is not good. Okay, n pi. Integral multiple of pi. Integral multiple of pi. Because pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, cot is not defined, nana. Similarly, cot 2a also not defined. Just I want to use cot of a plus b formula. That is from second chapter. What is the formula? Cot a into cot b, nana, minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Don't confuse cot b plus cot a. Don't write, both are same only, but as actually you need to write cot b plus cot a, because while writing cot a minus b, so if you write cot a minus cot b, that becomes wrong. So if a equal to b, what happened in a cot of a plus a equal to cot a into cot a, cot a into cot a. Okay, nana, minus 1 by, yeah, instead of b I am writing cot a, no, cot a plus cot a. Now I am concluding here. Yeah, cot 2a, no, this one, a plus a cot 2a is equal to x into x, x square means cot square a, minus 1 by x plus x 2 cot a. So this is the formula of, okay, cot 2a. This is also conditional result. Yeah, observe here, Nana. So first of all, what is chapter multiple submultiple angles? I define what is multiple and submultiple angles, and the first result is about sin 2a cos 2a. Should remember, Nana, 2 sin a cos a, but cos 2 have 3 formulae. How you got means I explained here. By using sin a plus b, you can derive, that is not big problem. By using formula of sin a plus b, sin 2a you got. By using cos of a plus b formula, you got cos 2a. From that 3 results. After that, tan 2a, by using tan of a plus b formula, you got tan 2a. But important thing is a and 2a are not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Should take care that. After that, cot 2a also, cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a, and the condition is a comma 2a should not in the form of n pi, where n belongs to z. Fourth one, I will say fourth one. In fourth, first one is sin 3a formula. Should remember, Nana, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. In the second one is cos 3a formula. Cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. I will explain how you got these results. Okay, proof. So what happened here? These, for a belongs to real number. For every a belongs to, this is symbol for every, Nana. For every means for all. For every a belongs to capital N. Okay. So several methods are there to derive this, but I use simple formula, that is sin of a plus b plus c formula. Already derived, no? What is the formula? Sigma sin a into cos b into cos c minus pi sin a. I will explain, no? Actually, this will contain 3 terms, sin a, cos b, cos, like 3 terms. But what happened here? I want to take a equal to b equal to c. If a equal to b equal to c, instead of b I will write a, instead of c also I will write a. What happened? Observe here, Nana. Sin of a plus a equal to sigma sin a into cos a into cos a minus pi into sin a. Okay, Nana, is equal here. Interesting. Actually, 3 terms will get 3 terms, Nana. I will write here sin a into cos square a, no? Again sin a into cos square 3 times you will get, 3 times. That's why I will write 3 times of sin a into cos square a minus here sin a into sin b into sin c. Actually, instead of a b you wrote a, instead of c also you wrote a, no? Sin a into sin a into sin a, sin cube a. Okay, but the formula is in terms of sin alone, so I don't want cos here, no? So 3 sin a bracket, instead of cos square a you can write 1 minus sin square a, Nana. 1 minus sin square a minus sin cube a. So which is same as 3 sin a minus 3 sin square a, I think c cube a. Okay, multiplication, no? 3 sin a into 1, 3 sin a, plus into minus minus, 3 sin a into sin square a, 3 sin cube a minus sin cube a. So what you got, Nana, here? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is the formula of sin 3a. Should remember. Okay, next cos 3a formula. Cos 3a, second one, that is cos 3a. Cos of a plus b plus c formula is there with us. What is that, Nana? Pi cos a minus sigma cos a into sin b into sin c. Here also, if a equal to b equal to c, instead of b write a, instead of c also write a, Nana. What happened? Cos of a plus a is equal to pi cos a as it is minus sigma, okay, cos a into sin square a, I can say, because here a, no? Sin a into sin a, sin square a only. So actually pi cos a means actual in this formula cos a into cos b into cos c. So cos a into cos a into cos a. So cos cube a will get here, cos cube a. Okay, Nana? Minus 3 times, no? And 3 times of cos a into sin square a. Again you want the formula of cos 3a in terms of cos alone, so I don't want sin a here. Instead of sin a I can write, you write na cos cube a as it is, minus 3 cos a as it is. Instead of this I can write 1 minus cos square a. So what happened na, this cos cube a minus 3 cos a, so minus 3 minus plus 3 cos cube a. Already one cos cube a is there here, just like x plus 3x, 4x, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is the formula of cos 3a. Should remember. I want to explain one important result, IMP results. That is the value of sin 18, sin 36. Actually, sin 18, the standard angle only actually. But initially standard angle means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are treated as standard angles. After completion of compound angles, 75 degree, okay, those angles also treated as standard angles. After completion of multiple submultiple angles, sin 18 degree, sin 36 degree, sin 54 degree also treated as standard angles. We need to remember those values. Okay, that's why today I want to explain how to find the value of sin 18 degree. Yeah, I will write, prove that sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Yeah, 18 initially not standard, 90 degree standard angle. Now I will convert 18 into 90 degree. That's why let theta is taken as 18 degree nana. So what is phi theta now? Phi theta becomes 90 degree only. With the help of phi theta I will find theta. So phi theta can be written as 3 theta plus 2 theta equal to 90 degree. I can write 3 theta is equal to 90 minus 2 theta. That is not big problem. So I want sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is nothing but sin of 90 minus 2 theta. I think you people are following, no? Sin 18 you want to find. That's why theta is taken as 18 degree. So actually 18 is not standard initially, no? That's why I multiplied phi on the other side. Phi theta equal 90 degree. Phi theta can be written as 3 theta plus 2 theta. Why you want to write phi theta as 3 theta plus 2 theta? You can write theta plus 4 theta also. That's not big problem. But just now I derived formula for 3 theta and 2 theta. No, that's why I wrote phi theta as 3 theta plus 2 theta. Okay. Yeah, equal 90 degree. 3 theta equal 90 minus 2 theta. So sin 3 theta equal to sin of 90 minus 2 theta. So here interesting step, Nana. Sin 3 theta as it is, you write. Sin of 90 minus theta, cos theta, means cos 2 theta. Already you know that. I will write in bracket. What is that, Nana? Cos of sin of 90 minus k is equal to cos k. Okay. So sin 3 theta means just now you derived formula. What is that? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal total result I want in terms of sin. Cos theta, we have 3 formulae. I will write it 3 formulae. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Actually I want to convert all in terms of sin theta. So instead of cos theta I can write this or this or this. Better one is this, because I want result in terms of sin alone. That's why 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Or another words, here onwards important difficult steps. Transfer these terms to right hand side. What happened? 4 sin cube theta minus 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now we want to solve this third degree equation. Already quadratic concept completed, theory of equations concept completed. So I think you know how to factorize this. Let sin theta equal to k. Sin theta is taken as k. Next page I want to write. Observe here, students. Sin theta is taken as k. Then this becomes, observe, I will show you. 4k cube. Sin theta is taken k, no? Sin cube means what, Nana? K cube. 4k cube. 4k cube yeah, minus 2k square, minus 2k square, what is next, minus 3k plus 1, minus 3k plus 1 equal to 0. This is third degree equation in k. We want factorize this. Already in algebra, factor theorem and remainder theorem and their applications, everything is completed. So third degree, sum of the coefficients equal to 0. Observe here, 4 plus 1 5, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, sum of the coefficient equal to 0, then directly can say that k minus 1 is one of the factor of this. So what will get another factor means this expression should divided by k minus 1. What will get quotient, that is this bracket. All Horner synthetic division is there now with us. Horner synthetic division 4, yeah, after minus 2, minus 3, 1, 0, 1, 4, 4, 2, 2, minus 1, 0. So what happened here, 4k square plus 2k minus 1. So this is in the form of a into b equal to 0. A, this fill as a, nana, this term fill as a, this term is fill as b. A into b equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Means k minus 1 equal to 0 or this is important, 4k square plus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. Means k equal to 1 or, yeah, I want to use formula to find k now here. So I will write here formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You people know how to find the value of x. We have the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. By using this formula you can find. So what is this, nana? K equal to minus b means minus 2 plus or minus root over b square means 4 minus 4, a means 4, c means minus 1. Okay, by 2a, a means what here, 4. Okay, k means what actually? K means sin theta. One more line I want to draw here, nana. Yeah, what happened? Sin theta equal to 1 or k means this, sin theta is equal to, so instead of k I am writing sin theta, nana. Sin theta equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. Observe here how you got minus 2 minus plus, no, 4 4 are 16, 16 plus 20, root 20 means 2 root 5 only. So what is theta, nana? What is our observation? What is theta here? Theta means what, nana? 18 degree. You need to write 18. Instead of theta you need to write 18. So sin 18 degree equal to 1 or sin 18 degree equal to, yeah, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Just I divided through by 2. Okay students, finally what you got, nana, here sin 18 degree equal to 1 or sin 18 degree equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. So I will write in the next page. So what you got here, sin 18 degree is equal to 1 or sin 18 degree is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. So important thing is here, sin 18 degree never equal to 1 because sin 90 degree 1, no? How sin 80 degree equal to 1? That's why I will write here sin 18 degree never equal to 1 since sin 90 degree equal to 1. Okay, so this result is rejected, and sin 18 degree equal to 1 result is rejected. Now with us two more results. One is sin 18 equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. I will write that. Wait, sin 18 degree equal to minus 1 minus root by 4 or sin 18 degree equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Okay, observe here. Yeah, root 5 means 2 point something, minus 2 point something, minus 1 minus 3 point something, minus 3 point something, minus 0 point something. This is minus 0 point something. So sine 18 is a positive. This is actually positive. Positive never equal to negative, nana. Because already you know that 0 lesser than 18 degree lesser than 90 degree only. So 18 degree lies between 0 to 90. So in between 0 to 90 sine is positive. So sine 18 is positive. 8 degree is positive. So sine 18 degree is never equal to -1 minus root 5 by 4. Means two results are rejected. One result is sine 18 equal to 1 rejected. Sine 18 degree equal to -1 minus root by 4 is rejected. So the last option with us is -1 plus root 5 by 4. Therefore sine 18 must equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is standard angle. Now onwards sine 18 degree means we want remember as root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sine 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is the final answer, Nana.